Print screen screenshots folder location in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution. So I'll tell you where the screenshots are stored automatically. I mean, when you press Control plus print screen. So go to pictures and then go to the screenshots folder, and here's where you'll find the screenshots. Let me show you once again. Search for sniping tool. Open the sniping tool. Let's say, for example, okay, I'll pick the screenshot, and as you can see, the screenshot is automatically stored here, and it gives the date and time as well. So what can I do if I wish to change the default screenshots folder? Right click in the open space and select properties, go to location, and then you'll find the screenshots folder as the target tab. You can move it, and let's say I wish to move it to desktop, and then click on select folder, click on apply, and then on OK. Okay, and this is done. Now the screenshots will be moved accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.